Are you looking for an Excel course that covers all data analysis topics in Excel? In Excel Masters course provided by Analytics World, you gonna learn data cleaning, creating functions, data sorting and filtration, data validation, pivot tables, creating charts, creating dashboards, and other data analysis concept and other advanced features in Excel like macros and VBA. Not only that, for every session we provide quizzes. And in the end of the course we will create projects and case studies. Yet all of these have been created for you. Wait. Are you scared about its cost? It's totally free course on YouTube. Excel has been handled. Check the course content now. As we mentioned earlier, this is a specialized course for data analysts. You will learn how to clean your data, filter and sort it, data validation, conditional formatting,
creating pivot tables like this.
creating dashboard like this. Not only these, in this course and upcoming course you will learn how to combine Excel working with other tools like SQL Server, Power BI. I am so excited to teach you all of these concepts and more.